Music helps build connections between countries by being a common language that we all as musicians can speak. My name's Adam Farron and I'm a trumpet player in the band of the Royal Regiment of Scotland. I've been in the band just over 2 years and we are based in Dreghorn Barracks in Edinburgh.
My name is Bronwyn Russell. I'm a musician in the band of the Royal Regiment of Scotland. We are lucky to be here in BIH and share some music with you today.
This tour represents a bond of friendship and a strong support for each other between the United Kingdom and BIH.
We've been very fortunate to move around, so we've had quite a few great opportunities to play in some beautiful local areas.
My favourite moment so far in BIH was playing on stage outside the cathedral in Sarajevo with my counterpart from the armed forces of BIH. I describe this tour as exciting. I haven't been here before. We get to move to a new location most days and we're meeting lots of new people within the community.